Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to good evening. No? And before we start our program, I would like to make a very important announcement, no, to everyone. Actually, it is a good news, no, to particularly to the undergrad students. Um, we are offering another division of uh, hindi natin masasabing ano to hindi natin masasabing review siya ano kasi actually it is para siyang first view no of all things that you need to know before graduating no in the BS accountancy course. Gumawa kami ng isang program that ito showcases everything, lahat ng kailangan mo para maging isang ganap na accountant ay nilagay namin po doon sa ano no, nilagay namin sa isang service no. Ang pangalan po nito is Reo Basics. Okay? So gusto namin i-introduce itong another na innovation kasi naniniwala kami mga kapatid no na there are many students right now na isa sa mga problema kasi nila yung pag-graduate na ako pero parang but wala pa rin ako masyadong alam. Yung tipong ganun, yung nabibigyan lang ako ng grade pero parang hindi ko feel talaga na BSA na accounting students ako. You know that, no? Maybe some of you are also feeling the same dilemma no right now no kasi ang daming ang daming bagay na adversely affected ng pandemic. One is yung traditional na face to face na lecture natin, hindi tayo makapag face to face. Well, maganda sana no, maganda din yung effectiveness ng face to face na review, but then napilitan tayo lahat na mag-adjust into this setup, and adversely, super adverse yung impact ng pandemic doon sa learning efficiency ng mga bata. Pati yung effectiveness ng mga professors na ang gagaling sa chalk and board na setup ay na parang na decrease no yung kanilang efficiency and effectiveness in imparting knowledge. And because of that, we launched Reo Basic na. But bali para siyang it is just the same as the tawag dito, parang parehas lang din po ng Reo Pro siya, except that hindi siya review. Itinuturo niya lahat ng subjects no that you need to know. Every major subject na accounting, taxation and law no is nakadiscuss po siya. Para siyang textbook, except that siya, shortened yung niya, yung discussion niya. Para din siyang reviewer book no kasi meron siyang quizzer, and at the same time para siyang classroom setup na lecture discussion no. So para ka na rin pumapasok sa school, meron kang textbook, meron kang reviewer book. All the learning paraphernalia you need in a traditional face-to-face are already inside this app. Kaya tipid po actually as a way of learning no, instead of compiling books no, nandito na po siya lahat no. Hindi mo na kailangan bilhin lahat ng ganung kabundok o gadami na libro no, just to build your concept base no in accounting. And one thing is for sure guys no, even if hindi nagtuturo yung professors mo no sa undergrad, makakasabay ka pa rin dito kasi the teaching is zero based no, talagang as in we teach like what a professor do inside the classroom, and the coverage is very comprehensive. Alam naman natin sa undergrad hindi po natatapos kadalasan yan kasi gahol lagi no mga professor sa oras kasi limited, dapat matapos tayo sa ganitong time lang, di ba ganon? And then because of difficulties of the setup, di natin na ma-maximize. By the way, even in the physical review naman, in the traditional face-to-face review mga kapatid, mahirap naman talaga tapusin yung lahat ng subjects no na nandun sa syllabus ng accountancy na ang hirap tapusin sa undergrad. Maraming maraming factors that could adversely affect the school's ability to deliver everything that the students need. Isa dyan is kapag ikaw ay graduate sa isang school na hindi elite no, normally kasi kapag magagaling na professor yan, no, pumupunta din sila sa mga elite ng university kasi yung mga school lang na yun with very large population can give the alam mo yan, yung napakalaking compensation that attracts no yung mga magagaling na talent. So normally mga magagaling na talent nakikita lang natin kadalasan nakikita natin sila commonly sa mga elite universities na. Paano kapag graduate ka ng isang institution no na nandun ka sa probinsya for example na walang access to this elite no professors, di ba? Okay, So yun yung ano no, that is now the challenge. Kaya kung minsan na lang, di ba? Kadalasan na lang the best students, the best performers in accountancy are coming no from top elite universities. And normally itong mga elite universities na ito, itong mga ang lalaki ng tuition fee no, yung mga umaabot ng isang SEM pa lang is 140,000, mga ganun no, 150,000 no. So something na hindi siya pangmasa. Kaya kung minsan lang din parang merong edge kapag mayaman yung bata, parang meron siyang edge against sa mga hindi ganun ka-well off no in society. That's why ang ginawa namin guys is we created this division no, this Reo Basic no service na i-equalize no yung advantage ng elite universities na even if you are graduating or studying in a very lowly school, if you have Reo Basic, all the things that are being taught in elite universities, all the contents, the latest of the contents, the updates in this profession are all maibibigay po sa iyo. Maski nandun ka po sa pinakasulok ng Pilipinas, ay mapapantayan mo yung level ng competency ng mga students na nandun din po sa sentro ng Pilipinas. Okay? So, yun po yung Reo Basic. No? We want to improve accounting education by this service. Mura lang po actually siya, hindi po siya despite the objective of this program na gusto namin na itaas no yung kalidad ng accounting education in the Philippines by providing everything that a student needs. So kung meron mang failure on the part of the students school no to deliver in terms of concept, may kakulangan man no doon sa concept, wala pong problema basta meron po silang Reo Basic because Reo Basic provides for all. So parang to the school, Reo Basic can ensure yung kalidad ng content na nade-deliver ng school sa kanyang mga students. And if you are a student no holding or having a Reo Basic, you are also assured no that your learning is at par no with the best universities in the country. No? So yun yung niya mga kapatid. No? That is one of the essence no of Reo Basic. We believe kasi na the preparation, the best preparation no, for every board exam is habang nasa undergrad pa lang ikaw. Dapat dapat doon pa lang naturuan ka na ng maayos, no? But this kumbaga idealism, of course, ideal lang yan, hindi yan talaga nangyayari in practice. Kadalasan maraming bata yung nag-graduate na kulang-kulang, no? May mga lapses ang mga schools no in their service no to deliver kasi hindi naman sa kulang yung school sa totoo lang guys no. One of the problem actually is ang accountancy natin 4 years yan tapusin. So inaaral mo yung mga concepts no hanggang doon sa 4th year. So imagine no doon sa 4-year period na yon, how are we sure na sa dinami-dami ng kaalaman na yun, kabisado mo pa rin ba sila lahat? Are you refreshed pa rin ba kapag ikaw na ay pag-graduate? No? Yung length din po nung study natin by itself, no? Yun din lang din po yung isa sa mga dahilan that that limits yung efficacy ng education, no? Yung length of the study. And ang maganda sa Reo Basic is kapag hawak mo po yung yung apps, no? You have access of everything. Mula doon sa mga major accounting subjects mo, no? From second year maybe no. Yeah, kasi may mga taxation na doon, di ba? From second year to 4th year is nasa you lang, no? Okay? So ang purpose niya is bago ka mag-graduate, all the essential things you know, lahat ng mga dapat na ituro sa iyo, itinuro man ng school mo o hindi, ay alam mo pa rin if you have Reo Basic. Okay? So this is our new innovation, mga kapatid, no? Ipa-public launching namin soon, no? For now, we will just have a parang soft launching, no, of the app. Sir Wency Giron will tell you some of the features of the Reo Basic, yung mga reviewers po namin, yung mga yung basic functionalities ng app. Bibigyan kayo namin ng link para pasyalan ninyo. You can check na what's inside Reo Basic. Okay? So thank you guys, no? Thank you and good evening.
Yan, good evening mga kareyo, So sa mga undergrad students po natin, meron po tayong bagong app na ang tawag ay Accountancy Basics. So sa mga may gumagamit ng mobile phones po dito na gustong mag-download ng app para sa mga undergrad students, paki-download lang po Accountancy Basics. Paki-search lang po sa iOS App Store, sa Google Play Store, and sa Huawei devices. Accountancy Basics. Mag-register po kayo, magkakaroon po kayo ng account, may free access po dito. So ito pong Accountancy Basics Undergrad Review Program, magkakaroon kayo ng free access po for selected topics. At kung gusto po ninyong mag-subscribe, kung ikaw ay first year, second year, third year, o mas lalo kailangan ngayong graduating ka, fourth year, maaari kang mag-message sa ating page for only 9,999 for 9-month access. So narito po yung ating mga reviewers. This is a separate division po aside from the Reo Professional Review. Also, sa mga BSMA students, magkakaroon din po kami ng CMA Review which will be launched soon. So narito po yung mga reviewers natin. Sa taxation, si Sir Rex. Sa RFBT, ang ating speaker mamaya, si Attorney Azores. Si Attorney Bernard Bakilan. Sa auditing theory, si Sir Mark Nina. Si Sir Karim sa auditing problems. Sa financial accounting and reporting, si Sir Vinson. Sa MAS, si Sir Ednel Datu, Sir Kim Anunuevo, and Sir Rad. Sa AFAR, yours truly po, si Sir Robert and si Attorney Ivan Bagayaw. So marami po kaming mga reviewers ninyo sa Undergrad Review Basic. Dito po, hindi review ang discussion dito. First view ang magiging discussion po natin. So lahat ng subjects mo sa undergrad, i-discuss po natin yan. Okay? Kasi sa review, normally may mga topics na 1 oras lang i-discuss sa review. Pero sa undergrad accountancy basics ng Reo, itong new division na to, mahaba ang discussion natin. Yung mga undergrad po dito, lalo na sa mga gagraduate next year, kaya kailanganin nyo to. Supplemental, kumbaga, karagdagang kaalaman ito, opportunity ito sa inyo para habang nagpe-prepare ka, bago ka gumraduate, ma-master mo, mabalikan mo lahat ng concepts na kakailanganin. Reg, pasuyo yung ano? Okay, so ayan po, no? So eto. So again, hello po, no? Ayan, medyo naghang lang ako. Ayan, okay po. Hello. So again, be accelerated above the rest with Reo Basics. This course offers comprehensive and complete discussion of everything you need to know in accounting, taxation, and law before you graduate. So Reo Basics equalize the technical advantage of students of elite and expensive universities by giving you solid technical foundation in your first view of accounting. Walang problema, guys. Wala kang knowledge or hindi nyo natapos yung mga subjects nyo sa undergrad, kami na ang tatapos dyan. Okay? Mag-subscribe kayo sa Reo Basic. With Reo Basics and reasonable diligence, you can actually finish BSA even if your professors do not teach. It can be an alternative po. If you are blessed with supportive teachers, Reo Basics may serve as your undergrad preparatory review prior to graduation. So take note, guys, if your school has in-house review program, okay po, for some administrators, deans, other instructors po that are listening to this webinar po, we are open for partnership. Actually, currently, we have partners na po from some universities. So kung yung eskwelahan po ninyo may in-house review, mag-partner po kayo sa amin. Kaming bahalang mag-handle ng in-house review po ninyo. Depende sa need ng mga students. Again, available po ito first year, second year, third year, at mas lalo na sa graduating accountancy students. Hindi mo na kailangan i-worry yung poor foundation mo or yung mga shortcomings mo in the past. Hayaan na natin yon. So this is only for $999 per student, inclusive of hard copy handouts, mobile app system, download feature for offline viewing for those who have poor internet connection. Take note, guys, if your school will adopt this Reo Basic Undergrad Review Program from $999 po, you are entitled to 20% discount. Okay? So currently, we have at least 10 schools po na partner na sa amin, and those schools po are enjoying 20% discount. So wag na kayong magpahuli, guys, no? So i-search nyo lang po yung app sa ating App Store, Google Play Store, Huawei. Madadownload nyo po ito, Accountancy Basics. This is a separate division. Sir Rex will be discussing the other features of the app. Thank you, guys.
Okay, balik po tayo, no? Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung pasyal ko lang kayo doon sa loob ng apps, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng parang preliminary idea on what to expect with this service. Okay, alright, so share screen ako mga kapatid. Ayan. Basics. Ito po siya, Accountancy Basics. Ayan. Alright. Okay. So, ganito siya, no? Per subject po siya, no? Per major accounting subject po ang pagkaka-arrange. So, merong income tax dyan, may business tax, local and preferential tax, financial markets, strategic cost management, managerial accounting, cost accounting, managerial economics, everything you need to finish in your BSA course, nandito po sa amin. Okay? May discussion ng concepts, mga kapatid, merong videos, may handouts pong ibibigay namin, papadala namin sa bahay ninyo. Okay? May mga quizzers din po na nandito. Kapag may tanong po kayo, magtanong lang po kayo doon sa ating creator ng content, yung ating tinatawag natin na professor or reviewer. Okay? Ayan po siya, sobra pong dami. Sobrang sobrang tawag dito. We have the special laws also, labor laws and security laws, intellectual property law, nandito na po sila, law on partnership, auditing and assurance, ganyan po siya. So para itong complete library po, instead of having a book, na tatlo-tatlo, di ba? Textbook, reviewer book, yun, di ba? And yung classroom ninyo, nandito na lahat. Pati yung lahat ng concepts, meron siyang video discussion. I'll open one, para makita niyo guys. For example, itong taxation, income taxation na subject, no? That's a subject in the undergrad, right? Okay? So meron siyang diyan, guys. Meron siyang concept discussion. So ito, na? Okay? Ayan. Lahat ng subjects to siya, kompleto po siya, no? Ayan. Nagre-refresh pa yata. Tagal Okay? Sige, basta dito guys, meron po siyang concept discussion. May inaayos yata kaya hindi siya Alright, so inside that, ganun po siya. Meron siyang mga videos na. Kompleto na po yan. So instead of reading it, kung textbook ang gamit mo kasi, binabasa mo yan, di ba? Ito, makinig ka na lang. Okay? Makinig ka na lang sa discussion. Mas mabilis umintindi kapag nakikinig ka na lang, di ba? Okay, and everything you need to know in taxation, sa income tax nandito na, and systematically arranged. Okay, from the best lecturers, from the best teachers, no? So sabi ko nga, maski po hindi nagtuturo teacher mo sa undergrad, nagpapa-exam lang siya, wala kang problema kapag meron ka nito. And sigurado po ako, kung very diligent kang bata, kaya mong tapusin ang BSA curriculum mo if you have accountancy basic, no? If you have all the time to study it in advance, pwede mo na pong matapos yung yung mga dapat mong malaman in advance. Okay? So kung ikaw ay nagme-maintain ng honor, di ba? Ganun, or yung may balak ka mag-top notcher, no, in a board exam, you start with this, no, to have an early preparation. So ito na po guys, lahat ng dapat dinedeliver ng school niyo, kung dinedeliver po nila. Pero kapag may kakulangan man ang school mo, wala ka pong problema, basta meron kang Reo Basics. Kompleto ka po. Bago ka mag-graduate, you can be assured na kompleto ka. Okay? So ganyan po siya guys, you check it at the Apple App Store or in the Google Google App Gallery, no? I-check niyo na lang po doon, no? For the contents. Okay? So salamat po for your presence here tonight. Attorney Diane will proceed with her seminar. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. Thank you.